Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya. So recently I have been thinking about this idea that is everywhere on the internet. Like love yourself completely. Every part of you, every flaw, every insecurity and every single thing. And then I realized that this idea doesn't fully resonate with me. You know why? Not because I'm a negative person or a bad person or that I believe that self love is not important. No, I actually believe that self love is very important. But the way it is often presented online is something a little unrealistic to me. Because we are human, and being human means there will be part of ourselves we struggle with. There will be days that you will tell yourself, I wish I was better at this. I wish I didn't have this habit. I wish this part of me was different, and that's completely normal. For example, someone struggles with procrastination, someone struggles with anger issues, and someone has this insecurity of their voice, their personality, their body, whatsoever. You are telling me that you will wake up one fine morning and tell yourself that I love every single one of these flaws. That's completely unrealistic of you, because there are days when I wake up and I'm like, I'm the only diva. I am the only diva on this planet. But there are days when I feel that I look ugly, or maybe I look I look not presentable enough. There are days, and I think that's completely normal. And you don't have to get me wrong, I'm not romanticizing this self hatred thing and I look ugly thing. But I think when you feel ugly, you can tell yourself, like, fine, I maybe do. I maybe not feel my best. And I think that's completely normal. I'm not born here to feel 10 on 10 every day. So I think loving yourself completely is something very unrealistic. And maybe that works for many of you guys. I'm so glad, and it's beautiful if it does. But for me personally, I have realized that my brain doesn't work that way. If there is something that I know that is like, I know deep down that it's not true, I won't believe it. Like, enforcing myself to love my flaw is something not right. It's not authentic of myself. And I'm not that person who can be delulu, okay? It's a hard time being delulu for me. If deep down I feel that, yeah, I have this insecurity of mine, I don't like this part of my body, I just know it. I cannot lie to myself. I cannot affirm it to myself like, oh, I'm very beautiful. I like this part of myself. No, I don't. If I don't, I just tell myself that I don't. I cannot lie to myself. You get me what I'm saying? And honestly, when I try to love that flaw of mine, it feels like I'm just talking myself into something. And when something feels forced, it stops feeling honest. And I have to tell you something about myself, a story of mine actually. I'm not very comfortable sharing this story with you all, but since I love you all, so I have to. So listen to me. Imagine you are 12 years old, or like 10 years old, and a uncle of yours is telling you that, beta, I think no one will marry you. Yeah, the exact words. He goes like, no one will marry you because this structure of yours is not ideal, and I think it doesn't look fine. So I think no one is gonna marry you. Imagine. I mean, uncle, why you are even concerned in the first place? Secondly, who are you to tell me this? Thirdly, how, I'm very sorry for you because the way you are raised is questionable. And how you can tell people such unkind words? No one will marry you is huge, uncle. I mean, I'm laughing about it right now, but when I was told this thing, I was literally crying. And I was telling myself, like, is it that bad? Oh, I thought it was bad. Like, I'm already insecure about it. I already don't like that part of myself. Doesn't mean you have to tell me the same. And those harsh words, I mean, uncle, are you doing good in life right now? because the things you are doing is not good. Guys, imagine wearing socks just because you have been told that the structure of your feet is not the ideal structure of the feet and no one will marry you because you have a different structure. Like, imagine, it's insane. Uncle, screw you, honestly. Anyways, so the thing that I've learned recently is, instead of trying to love yourself completely slash fully, there is this thing that you can do which is very realistic, which is very peaceful, which is acceptance. Just freaking accept yourself. You don't have to love yourself completely, you don't have to hate yourself, you just have to accept yourself. I mean, I think I've said it before. Anyways, there's a huge difference. Acceptance is like, okay, I have this part of myself which I don't like. I don't have to love it. If I don't feel like loving it, I shouldn't lie to myself. But this is my part. I don't have to attack myself. Oh, I don't like you, you are ugly, or you have this habit which is so bad. You don't have to attack yourself for it. If you can improve it, go for it. If you cannot, like the structure of my feet, I cannot. Or maybe I can have a plastic surgery, uncle, if you pay me. Send me money if you don't like my structure. Anyways, so the thing you can do is just accept. Don't attack yourself. Just accept it. It will take you a long way. So this is it. I'm so glad that I shared my story with you all. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep building.